Congratulations, your deal has been accepted. Now what? Well, first you need to write a check for the deposit that will be held in escrow. In Pennsylvania, we call that hand money. It is a good faith deposit that shows that you're serious about buying the home. The money will be held throughout the transaction and will eventually go toward the purchase. The next step is to schedule the home inspection, which usually needs to take place within the next 10 days. It's common to do a general home inspection, a pest inspection for insect damage from things like termites, and a radon inspection. You'll want to attend at least part of the inspection because this is your chance to learn how the systems in your new home operate. Within 7 days, you'll also need to apply for a mortgage. The lender will ask for additional documentation from you and will start the verification process. The lender will also order an appraisal since the bank wants to make sure the house is worth what you're paying for it. Remember, it's their money on the line. The home inspection will identify everything from minor to major issues. I like to refer to it as a stoplight. Red is a major health or safety defect that needs to be dealt with right away. Yellow is a maintenance issue, something that you should be aware of but doesn't necessarily have to be fixed right now. And green is good the way it is. After reviewing the reports with your realtor, you'll come up with a list of things that you would like the seller to repair. The seller can refuse to do anything, repair some but not all of the items, or if you're lucky, they'll fix everything. You could also ask for a monetary credit so you have control over who does the repairs after you own the house. You'll also need to set up a homeowner's insurance policy. I suggest starting with your auto insurer because there are discounts if you bundle home and auto. At this point, as long as the house appraises for the purchase price, it is smooth sailing. Your mortgage application will be sent to underwriting, where the underwriter may ask for additional documentation before approving the loan and giving the clear to close. A week before closing, you should contact the utilities and have them changed to your name on the day of the settlement. The title company will let you know the exact amount of money that you need to bring to the closing. Since it's usually thousands and thousands of dollars, it has to be in the form of a cashier's check or the money has to be wired. You are in the home stretch now. After signing lots and lots of documents, the house will be yours. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Robin Taylor with Coldwell Banker, and this is Real Estate Done Right.